Good morning, Tribe. It's the Option Menace on the behalf of the Tribe Investments. It's Monday, December 11th, and we have a big week ahead of us. I hope everyone had a great weekend and enjoyed themselves and didn't shop too much, didn't go too crazy and rack up some more of that credit card debt. All right, let's find a way out of that credit card debt by making some money. All right, today, I'm looking at particularly two names. I had five names before I went to sleep last night, and a lot of movement in the pre-market that invalidated the trade a little bit, or just canceled it out, made some names get canceled. Right now, this morning, I'm very, very, very much still interested in GameStop. On the daily time frame, we have a 3-1 setup. Okay, I have a 3 bar, which is an outside bar. It's bigger than the last candle. It opened up above. It didn't open up. I'm sorry. It went past the last candle. Price did, and then it was lower than price of the last candle. So that made it a huge 3 bar. The next following candle is a 1 bar, which is a actionable signal according to the Strat. The Strat is what I trade. It's organic. No. If you look at my chart here, you don't have a bunch of EMAs and MACDs and a lot of other things that other traders are using that work for them. They don't work for me. With my risk management technique and just trying to stay out of that zone of hoping and wishing, the Strat tells me exactly when to get in, exactly when to get out. Okay, if I violate those rules with the Strat, there's no one else to blame but myself. Okay, and my stubbornness. So that's why I love the Strat. It controls my emotions. All right. So right now I have a 3-1 setup. Okay. So my entry would be either at the bottom of this 1 bar, which is also a a shooting star candle, which makes it a double actionable signal for me and other stratters. This is a double actionable signal. We have a 1 bar, which is an actionable signal, and then we have a shooter, all in one, all wrapped up in one. So right now, GME is holding in there for us. It still has some pulse. Um, if it breaks outside the 1547 before market opens and stays out there, and the market opens and it's already outside, the trade is no go. If it stays where it is right now, perfect. And if it breaks after the market opens, I'm in there and I'm looking for my first price target, which is the bottom of the 3 bar. Okay. And once I get there, I'm holding, I'm putting in, I put in bracket orders now. So I'm taking some profit, or I'm just putting my profit take stop loss right under it. I mean, right above it. So if it pushes up, I take my money. If it keeps going, I'm still in the trade. All right. And our second price target would be 1187 on GME. Okay. Now, if this was to break the upper wick of the shooting star of a 1 candle, um, my first price target would be 1673. Okay, the height of this candle, this down 2 bar, and the next price target would be 1742. My stop out would be 50% of this 1 bar. So I have everything already pretty much drawn up in the technical analysis for GME. So I'm about to pop it up on the screen now. I just want to do it organic. Look how organic I just found everything with basically just one indicator, not telling me much. I'm still reading organically what price is telling me, what is going on right now. The thing with indicators and a lot of these EMAs and SMAs and MACDs and Wyckoff and I don't know Bollinger Bands is they're after the move happens. They're after the movement of the price. So right now, this is actually what's going on right now. So right now on the daily time frame, I have a down bar. Okay, this candle is the daily candle, and it pushed down. That's why it's a red candle, and it's a 1 yellow on my because of my indicator. But if I take the indicator off, um, it's going to be red. So it's a shooting candle, but it's a 1, and I quickly identify it because I have the indicator up that spots out 1 bars for me. But I can just look at it, you know, I can just look at it and see it's a 1 bar. It didn't break the height of the 2 candle, of the 3 candle, because look at this, it engulfed down and engulfed up. So this is a 3 candle and this is a 2 because it didn't break this high. So this is a 1 candle here. So let me turn my indicators back on just to spot it out. It's called the Strat, guys. I recommend anyone who's new to options and new to the market to definitely trade it. This thing's amazing. Had several long conversations with Juice over the weekend, and you know, I spoke to a colleague of mine at the hospital. I worked this weekend and doing swings and long-term swings and doing a year out, 2 years out swing plays. The Strat helps you with that. If I go to a year, a 12-month time frame, 2 years, 3 years out, you can see Strat plays. You can just park your money somewhere and let it do what it do. You know, because the Strat is explaining what's going on. I have more detailed videos in my Discord about the Strat, explaining exactly who made it, what it means, what's exactly going on. I'm deciding to try to make a quick video here too, but it has to be quick. All right, so let me turn on my my TA for today, that I'm just hiding right now. All right, so there goes our price targets. Okay, like I said before, this is our entry. Down, you know, we go short here, we go long here if it breaks. Okay. So risk management. Now my risk management is 50% of this candle. Boom. There goes my 50% right there. There goes my 50% of this candle. So if the trade, if I enter, let's say going long, you know, I feel that this 1 bar is getting invalidated and price is pushing up. Price opens up here and then pushes up. My stop out would be the 50% of this candle. So the 50% of this candle would be 15.98, and I'm out. I don't want to know anymore. You know, some people have really good, I guess, tolerance for losing, and you can wait till it breaks this, which is, you know, ballsy, and it could work out for you, because if it never breaks here and it comes back, maybe. But me, this is too much loss. This is too much loss, especially with options. So this, I stop out, I walk away, another trade, you know, save my account. Don't blow your account. All right. So there goes my stop loss for GameStop, right in the middle, 15.98 either way. Okay. Right now I'm looking short on this though, but I need full time frame. I don't have full time frame right now. I have the daily down. If this opens here, it's going to be the hourly down, and the 4 hour is possibly going to go the same. It's the 4 hour is pointing the same way. The 4 hours pointing down, daily's pointing down. And if it opens up and goes down, the 1 hour is going to be down too. First price target is 15.20. Second price target would be 13.58. Okay, and here these are my 15-minute time frame. I see little areas where I would like to take profit, but the way this Strat teaches you, if I'm entering on the 4 hour time frame, I'm looking for these areas right here. All right, so that's one of our names, GameStop. The next name we have is, I believe, Amazon. Here's Amazon. It's a 1 bar. It's a daily 1 bar also. So both of these are dailies. Wow, I didn't even realize that. That's powerful. And look at Amazon sitting in our area. I wonder if it's ranging. No, it looks like it's doing a ascending. It looks like an ascending triangle, I think. Yeah, it's an ascending triangle. You know, so let's see where it goes. If it's an ascending triangle and it pushes up, it could definitely have some momentum. But right now, it's, you know, looking a little weak here. So let's see where it goes. Either way, we trade the chart. We don't trade emotions or what we think or feel. Okay. So right now I have a 1 bar. I'm looking for the break of that to the downside. 145.40 is my entry on puts. Okay. My my risk management, 50% of the 1 bar. Okay, so the 50% of the 1 bar would be 146.62 is my risk management, my stop out. Okay, once I enter, if the market opens 9:30 and it's here, it's dancing around, and it finally pushes down here, I'm entering. And my first price target is going to be 144.28. That's when I earn the right to take my bread. You know, I lock it in, and there's another price target, second price target, third price target. Okay, if the market opens and Amazon is here and it decides to push up, let's see what else we got here. Interesting. 2-2. So on the 4 hour, we have a we have a 2-2 possible reversal. So on the 4 hour, which is a strat play, so we have a 2 down, a 2 up. So if this was to break down here, this would be a 2 down, and our price target would be here. So it's a 2-2 rev strat reversal. Okay, so anybody who's interested in knowing more about the strat, please first do your own due diligence and reach out to me, because the strat is definitely life changing. It changed my trading up dramatically because I'm literally looking at organic price. Okay, nobody's telling me, I'm finding my plays every morning. All right, so this is a daily time frame trade, but I do see something on the 4 hour. The 4 hour, this is a shooter candle, so this is a actionable signal to the downside. So if it was to break here, I can enter early and ride this wave, but it already broke. So right now it's still in play because it didn't break my 1 bar, which is my original setup. Okay, it would have been nice if it was just bouncing around in here before market then dump, because look at that push. This, to me, what I see is this push down pre-market is happening because of this shooter candle. This is an actionable signal according to the strat. So this shooter is pushing this down. Now, will price get down here? We don't know. Once it does, though, I'm in there. Okay, I'm in there and I'm riding the wave down to here. Okay, my first price target, 144.28. My entry is 145.40 for puts on Amazon. All right, everybody. I'll be watching the market. Headed to the gym right now. It's 6:07. Let's reconvene a little later. Everyone, enjoy your day. The Menace out.